Today we're going to be going over how to preload your new Voodoo off-road summoner winch. Start off by finding an open environment free of obstacles that you can tether the vehicle to, and disengage that clutch. Pull the rope out all the way to your attachment point. For this example, we'll be using a tree. Hook that clasp facing up. Pull as much of the line out as you can, but make sure you leave at least one full layer on the drum. Tighten up the slack, re-engage the clutch, and plug in the winch controller. With your vehicle in neutral, test it out. Using the winch and the weight of the vehicle, guide the winch line back into the drum in the most uniform manner possible. If any kinks or binds occur, back the drum up and straighten the rope out before continuing. Spool up all the way to the rope guard, and then put your vehicle back in park. Let out the slack, unattach the hook, and slowly guide the rope back into the drum. Then just simply disconnect the winch controller, and you're good to go.